Hi, in this video we are going to discuss binomial expression for 1 plus x power of n where n is a negative integer or rational numbers. We have this formula 1 plus nx plus n times n minus 1 over 2 factorial times x squared plus n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 over 3 factorial times x cubed plus and so on. Which is this expression is an infinite series of ascending powers of x, and it is only valid if absolute value of x less than 1, or we can simplify x is between -1 and 1. Example 1. Expand the following in ascending powers of x up to x cubed terms. State the interval of x for which the expressions are valid. Question is square root of 1 plus x. All these questions involving powers of rational numbers or negative numbers. So we have to look at back our formula just now. Okay, 1 plus x power of n equal 1 plus nx plus n times n minus 1 over 2 factorial x squared plus n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 over 3 factorial x cubed plus and so on. Okay, but now I want to show you another formula. Okay, to solve this example, I prefer we use the second formula here, which is actually is equivalent to the first formula. The difference is I just change the term of x here becomes ax. Okay, that means for each term of x, I have to replace with ax. Okay, this one also same, ax, and the last one here, x cubed, also I replaced by ax. Okay, because for certain question, not all question we have to solve. Okay, 1 plus x power of 3. What about if we have 1 plus 2x power of 3, or maybe 1 plus 4x, okay, which is we have the coefficient of x. Question A, square root of 1 plus x. Okay, firstly, we have to change third into index number. Okay, becomes power of half. And then a is equal to 1 and n is equal to 1 over 2. Then we have to substitute these values into the formula. 1 plus n is half, ax here, x plus n 1 over 2, 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 factorial times x squared plus 1 over 2, 1 over 2 minus 1, 1 over 2 minus 2 over 3 factorial x cubed plus dot dot dot. Okay, the second step is we have to simplify 1 plus half x plus the first bracket here is half, the second bracket is half minus 1, then you get negative half. And then 2 factorial, we can use calculator, press the button of 2 factorial. Okay, 2 shift, okay, factorial, then you get equal to. Okay, divide by 2 here, this is x squared. Plus half minus 1, negative half. Half minus 2 is negative 3 over 2. Divide by 3 factorial. Again, you can press your calculator, 3 factorial. Okay, then you get 6. X cubed. Okay. The next step is we have to simplify. Also simplify for this fraction. Okay, which is you can use calculator, just insert all these numbers. Okay, half and then close bracket, open the second bracket is negative half, close bracket, and then you press the button equal, divide by 2. Okay, this is the value after you simplify, negative 1 over 8. X squared. Okay, and then the last here, we have to simplify, insert the numbers. Okay, 1 over 2. Okay, the second bracket we have negative 1 over 2. The third bracket we have negative 3 over 2. Okay, press the button equal and then divide by 6. Okay, you get positive 1 over 16. Okay, plus 1 over 16 x power of 3. Okay, this is the expression for 1 plus x power of half. Okay, and this expression is valid for modulus of x less than 1. This is a condition, always must be less than 1. And x here, we have to refer to this term. Okay, I put star here. What is the term that you have to put inside the absolute value? You have to refer back to your terms here. If you have x, that means also you have to put x here. Okay, after that you have to define this absolute value. Okay, less than 1, more than negative 1. Okay, or in interval form is equal negative 1, 1. Example B, 1 plus x power of negative 3. Okay, so you want to expand, okay, which is you can see the power here is negative number, so that we have to use this formula. Okay, we can determine or state the value of a is equal to 1, okay, and n is equal to negative 3. Okay, first step, we have to substitute into the formula. 1 plus n is negative 3, x, a is equal to 1, so you just have to write here x, plus n is equal negative 3, negative 3 minus 1 over 2 factorial, and then x squared plus negative 3 minus 1 times negative 3 minus 2 over 3 factorial x cubed plus dot dot dot. Okay, so make sure you have to alert with the question, since the question in example 1 requests for ascending powers of x up to x cubed terms. So you have to stop until x cubed. When we stop until x cubed, if we count how many terms we have, 1, 2, 3, 4, means until x cubed, but we have 4 terms. Okay, the next step is we can simplify. 1 minus 3x plus, this is negative 3, negative 4, 2 factorial is equal to 2, x squared plus negative 3 minus 1, negative 4, negative 3 minus negative 2 is negative 5. 3 factorial is equal to 6. Okay, x cubed plus dot dot. Okay, 1 minus 3x, then okay, simplify this one. Negative 3 times negative 4 is 12. 12 divided by 2, then you get 6x. You can use your calculator. Okay, after that, okay, this one also same. Simplify. Okay, we just insert the numbers into your calculator. Okay, negative 3. Okay, don't forget to put the bracket. Times negative 4 times negative 5. Okay, press the button equal, then you divide by 6. Okay, so we get negative 10 minus 10x cubed. Okay, and this expression is valid, okay, for this condition, modulus of ax less than 1. So you can write here the validity expansion. Okay, modulus of x less than 1. Since our a is equal to 1, just we put here modulus of x less than 1. Then define the absolute value less than 1, more than negative 1. Okay, and also in interval form, you can write as negative 1, 1. Example C, 1 minus 2x power of negative 1 over 3. Okay, to solve this question, firstly, we have to look at the power. The power is a rational number, so make sure we have to use this formula. Okay, then you can state the value of a is equal to negative 2 and n is equal to negative 1 over 3. Okay, after that, okay, we can start with the first step here by substituting all this value into the formula. 1 plus n is negative 1 over 3, ax negative 2x plus negative 1 over 3 times negative 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2 factorial times negative 2x, okay, in bracket power of 2 plus n negative 1 over 3, the next bracket negative 1 over 3 minus 1 times n minus 2 is negative 1 over 3 minus 2 over 3 factorial times negative 2x in bracket power of 3 plus dot dot. Okay, the second step here, you can simplify all the fractions. Okay, 1 plus 2 over 3x plus, okay, so you have to simplify inside this bracket first, negative 1 over 3 minus 1, then you get negative 4 over 3. Okay, after that, you can simplify the whole expression here. Okay, negative 1 over 3 times negative 4 over 3 divided by 2, then you get 2 over 9. After that, multiply with 4 here, simplify, you get 2 over 3. Okay. The next term here, also we have to simplify for each bracket. Negative 1 over 3 minus 1, you get negative 4 over 3. Negative 1 over 3 minus 2, then you get negative 7 over 3. Divide, okay, you multiply for these three brackets, okay, insert into your calculator. After that, divide by 6, which is you will get negative 14 over 81. After that, you multiply with negative 8 here. Okay, then when you simplify, you get 112 over 81. After that, we can write down the final answer of the expression 1 plus 2 over 3x plus 8 over 9 x squared plus 112 over 81 x cubed plus dot dot dot. Okay. After that, we have to write down the validity, okay, for the expansion. Okay, according to the condition, okay, the modulus of ax less than 1. In our example here, a is referred to the value of negative 2. Then you have to put modulus of negative 2x less than 1. Okay, any absolute value you can write as a positive, is going to positive value. Then you can write modulus of 2x less than 1. After that, you can define 2x less than 1 more than negative 1. Since we want to get as a single x only, okay, thus we have to divide both sides with 2. Then you get x less than 1 over 2 more than negative 1 over 2. Therefore, we can write also in interval form negative 1 over 2, 1 over 2.